Today I'm going to show you how to change your standard Xenon bulbs into LED upgrade bulbs. As you can see, with the standard Xenon bulbs they do have a bit of a warm-up time, whereas with LEDs they're instant on and off, there's no warm-up time in them. So to remove the grill, you've got tabs all on top, and then it just pulls out from underneath. Then on the headlight you've got a tab here that pulls up, tab here that pulls up, and the whole headlight slides out. Right, so you need to lever up these tabs. One. That one's a bit tricky, so I'll get a screwdriver. Tricky, this one. There we go. And then they just pull out. Make sure it's all aligned properly. There we go. Oh, don't have to be down so. There we go. Get in the right place. Come on, you bugger. What are you doing? Alright. There we go. And then unplug the power cable. There we go. Alright, there's a little switch there. It needs to be turned. Find the right way. There we go. And then unplug it. And the old bulb pulls out. New bulb goes in. Plug it in. And flick the switch back to lock it in. Done. Let's put it back in the car. Alright, now to put the headlight back in, you can plug it back in here. Two clicks, there we go. Just test it with a right. I need to make sure we get these pins in the right place. There we go. Push them down to lock it in. Done. Get the locking pins in the right place. Two in, and these top ones. Done. Right, lights on. Instant. This is the standard Xenon bulbs. They are still quite bright, but they're starting to age a bit now. And this is the LED upgrade, where as you can see they're a lot brighter, a lot whiter, and they still keep the original beam pattern. These bulbs from Car Mod Shop Limited, available in D1, D2, D3, D4, D5 and D8 Xenon replacements. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and go to the comment section below for links to the bulbs, and use discount code MF06 for discount on a set of bulbs for your car.